Hey everyone! In my complete guide to making money online, I covered 10 different methods for beginners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about options, cryptocurrency trading. While this method has potential for high returns, it's also important to understand the risks involved.
This specific business model is about buying and selling cryptocurrencies for profit. And there are many platforms you can join. Most of them have also tutorials or material for beginners, so you can learn how to start. You can get familiar with the terms, with the candlesticks, and also with some strategies. This is basically very profitable, especially when we talk about the Bitcoin. As you can see, the price for Bitcoin over the last year skyrocketed, and when we take a look at the 5-year timeline, it has grown from 6,000 to more than 90,000 US dollars per Bitcoin. You can use platforms like Binance or MaxC or also OKX.com, where you get familiar with the stuff regarding the crypto trading. And also you can leverage some knowledge at the website called Coinbase.com. So the best would be to start to learn the basic trading strategies, and you can invest small portion of your money. Also be careful when it comes to trading. There is the golden rule: do not invest more than you can afford to lose. And it applies to the crypto trading as well. So be careful with your money and start with a few dollars to see how it works for you, whether you like it, and only when you see some success you can reinvest. So as I mentioned, one of the pros of the trading online is the high profit potential, but the con is high risk, and it also requires learning market trends. And while talking about the crypto trading, I also want to mention that there are tons of platforms that are just scams, and they operate as a pyramid scheme or a Ponzi scheme. So be careful when it comes to the crypto trading and make sure to deal only with the well-established platform like I already mentioned. I also created a video where I show how to identify the crypto Ponzi scheme. There are several red flags, and to mention only one, and that is the high daily returns, meaning the platforms, they offer a 1 to 2% profit daily, which is unsustainable and very unheard of when it comes to the trading platform or any other platform. Many of these Ponzi schemes or scam platforms, they operate as a pyramid scheme, so the only money that the guys make are the money from new investors. So be careful about that. Make sure to watch the video to learn more. With that knowledge, you'll be able to filter out the scammy ones, and you can focus on the ones that are legit.
Have you tried cryptocurrency trading before? Share your experience in the comments below. Both successes and lessons learned are valuable for our community. If you're interested in exploring safer ways to make money online, check out my full guide where I cover 9 other methods. The link is in the description. And if you want to protect yourself from crypto scams, watch my video about identifying crypto Ponzi schemes. I'll link it below as well. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always stick to well-established platforms. See you in the next deep dive.